Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. There are so many great deals going on next week. If you still have the 5 off 5 Hershey's Candy CRT, I have an amazing deal for that. And there's 8 products that you can grab for free and a $4.56 moneymaker. Most of these are using digital coupons and printable coupons as well. So if you want to see what deals you can do next week at CVS to save money and make money, definitely stay tuned. And of course, if you're new to my channel, welcome and thank you so much for tuning in. Take a second and hit the red subscribe button and the notification bell to all so you'll be notified of any new content that I post almost every single day. Tons and tons of deals that you can do and ways that you can save hundreds of dollars every month on products you're gonna be buying anyways. So I would definitely love to have you as a subscriber. We do have a couple updates. I am going live every single day this week. I'm live on YouTube, my Facebook page, and then every other day I'm alternating Instagram and TikTok. So today I will be live on TikTok. I'm also announcing the 3 Instagram winners for the $10 gift cards tomorrow. So that giveaway is still going on. Just head over to my Instagram, Bree Coupon Queen 1. Look for the post for the giveaway and you guys can still enter. I was celebrating hitting 10,000 followers on Instagram. I also am launching a new 3-day couponing workshop, combining my beginner couponing class, my advanced couponing class, and adding a 3rd bonus live class, which is going to be talking about how you can make $100 by the holidays. So if you want to join, it's only $30 for all 3 live classes. It's going to start November 8th, 9th, and 10th. So I will be announcing the times. It's going to be in the evening, either like 5 p.m. or 7 p.m. per night. I'm also going to be, of course, recording the live classes. So if you miss any of them, you'll still be able to watch the replays. So I'm super excited about that. I already have 11 people signed up. My goal is 100 people to help you guys save money for the holidays. So if you want to sign up for that, link is below in the description box, or you can always head over to my website, breecouponqueen.com. At the top, click shop, and there's all my different products and services available for you guys there. Let's talk about coupons. So we are getting 2 inserts on Sunday, a Smart Source and a Save. So if you want to order them online, a lot of people have been buying coupons in the newspapers, but the newspapers lately haven't had any inserts in them at all. On Sunday, when I went to CVS, my CVS didn't even have newspapers, like period. And I go there bright and early, so it's not like they would have been sold out. So I always order mine online. That way I don't have to worry about them not coming, newspapers not coming, inserts not being there, not getting all the inserts, you name it. I've run into those issues in the past. This is how I save a lot of money on different products, is using insert coupons. So I always order mine from BQ because they're the quickest. You can also order from Sunday Coupon Inserts. Both of those are linked below in the description box, and these are my codes so you can save money on your orders as well. So definitely recommend grabbing some inserts. If you missed the 1017 inserts, they both have them still available on their websites as well. So that way we have the Unilever, a Smart Source, and a Save from last week with all different coupons. So definitely recommend that if you haven't. Now let's jump into so many amazing deals, guys. I can't even deal. We are back to getting free Colgate toothpaste. Seems like they're doing this pretty frequent to help compete with Walgreens, where we get free toothpaste literally every single week. So this deal I really like because it's free, like you're not paying anything out of pocket free. Not free where you're paying something and getting rewards back. So this is definitely the best deal. Grab 2 Colgate, then you're gonna clip a $7.98 off 2 digital coupon. Everyone has access to this. So you can literally go inside CVS, grab these products, clip the digital coupon, and you'll pay just taxes out of pocket, which is amazing. So add these to your freebies that you guys can grab next week. More freebies. So I just checked on coupons.com. There's new printable coupons. I don't know why we got new ones midweek, but we did. So head over there and print them now before they're gone. They'll be linked below in the description box. It'll say new printable coupons. You can click there and definitely go through, see what coupons you want to print. What you can grab is the twin brow pencils and a Fit Me blush. We have a $2 Maybelline Eye printable coupon. We also have a $2 Maybelline New York, any Maybelline New York digital coupon. So clip that. We are also getting a mystery coupon. Now we don't know what it is, of course, hence the mystery part, but typically it's at least $3 off. I haven't really seen it be lower than that. Sometimes it's like $5 off, which would be incredible. So wait until Sunday. I will be obviously updating you guys in my CVS haul. So we are gonna pay $3.98, get back a $5 extra buck, making it free, and a $1.02 moneymaker. Now keep in mind, this deal does exclude the eyeshadow mono. So just like the single eyeshadows are not included in this deal. So if you pick one up, it will not track. So just make sure that you guys are aware of that when you're doing these deals. This one actually is also a limit of 2. That's my fault. As you can see right under the weekly ad, it says a limit of 2, which is awesome. All right, Pampers diapers. The current week is not a good deal. The current week is spend $25, get a 7, but they're on sale 2 for $20. So you would have to buy 4 to even hit that. Or you could buy 3, of course, as well. Next week, they're 2 for $22, spend $20, get a 5. So just buying 2, you're automatically gonna hit that mark. We also have a 3 off 2 digital coupon. Check to see if you have a 4 off 20 baby CRT or diaper CRT, anything like that. You'll pay $15 out of pocket, get back the $5 extra buck, makes it just $5 per bag, which is not a bad deal. Still cheaper than what you would grab them for at Walmart. Okay, here is an amazing Halloween candy deal. So I did the deal this week using the instant coupon that everyone got. I recommend printing that coupon. Don't send it to your card. Go to CVS, print the Hershey's instant coupon that we're getting this current week from 10/17 to 10/23. If you haven't used it yet, next week they are buy one, get one free, and it includes Hershey's snack size. So grab 6 bags because they're buy one, get one free, so you may as well grab the 6th bag. Online they're showing $4.19, so that's roughly what the price is going to be in store. Use the 5 off 5 instant coupon. And if you have a 2 off 8 candy CRT, you can add that in as well. You're gonna pay just $5.57 for 6 bags of Halloween candy, or 92 cents a piece, which is an amazing deal. Way cheaper than you're gonna grab it at Walmart also. So definitely stock up. We should all have plenty of Halloween candy for the trick-or-treaters and everything this year without having to pay full price. So let me know in the comments what deal in this video is your favorite deal. I think this one's my favorite deal. I don't know. I love being able to stock up for the holidays and seasonal things without having to pay a ton out of pocket. All right, Eucerin is spend $20, get a $10 extra buck. We're also getting new $2 coupons in our 10/24 Smart Source. So this deal is also a limit of 1. What I typically grab is the Daily Hydration for $10.79 and the Skin Calming. It says select, so we don't know exactly which ones are included. Typically these 2 are included, but again, I'll update you guys on Sunday when the ad and everything updates, and of course I do my haul. Check to see if you have a 4 off 20 lotion CRT. You'll pay $12.58, get back a $10 extra buck. This tracks towards beauty, and if you did the Maybelline deal, you'll be at $30, so you'll get a $3 beauty buck. This is the last week to get beauty bucks, so definitely stock up on as many beauty products that you want to get those beauty bucks back so you can use them the following week. That makes them both free and a 42-cent moneymaker. With it being the cold season, my hands crack. Even though I live in Florida, my hands get super dry. So I have to put lotion on my hands and my face literally at night before I go to bed and in the morning. Otherwise, my hands are just atrocious. So definitely great to stock up on lotion. Dove body wash. Here is an amazing deal. Next week, they are 2 for $16. And when you buy 2, you're going to get a $2 extra buck. So grab a men and a women's. That'll bring you to $16. Then we have $2.50 off 1 for the men and $2.50 off 1 for the women's in the Unilever insert. Check to see if you have a 2 off 8 Dove body wash CRT. If you have 2 of them, you can use both of them. You'll pay $9, get back a $2 extra buck, makes it $7 for both or $3.50 per bottle, which is not a bad deal for Dove. Also, scan your receipt to fetch rewards and you'll get some additional points for buying Dove products. Okay, here is an amazing deal. I'm actually going to run to Walmart and do this deal at Walmart today. They are buy one, get one half off. Okay, so there's no extra buck deal, but it still winds up being amazing. Grab 2 hauls. Hopefully you guys printed the $1.50 off one printable coupons that I told you guys to print. They don't expire until December 1st. So use 2 of those. You'll pay just 88 cents. Then Swagbucks now has 100 Swagbucks back each, limit of 5. So that's $1 back each. Checkout 51 also has $1 back each. That would make them free and a $3.12 cash moneymaker, which is amazing. So definitely stock up on some hauls. Was it this week or the last week? I grabbed some Halls minis. Haven't tried them yet, but they're super cute. I put them in my purse and I was able to get them free because we have a $2 Halls minis digital coupon. So if you haven't used that coupon yet, you guys can probably add that into this deal as well. Of course, there's a ton of ways that you can do it. Now let's get into these transactions. You're going to be able to grab 12 products for free. Beginner friendly, for free next week. So here's how. Grab the Halls and the Maybelline. Your total is $14.86. You're going to give that to the cashier. You have $10 in coupons and the mystery coupon. You'll pay $4.86 plus tax out of pocket. But I recommend downloading Flues. My code is Bree Coupon Queen 21. You'll get 3 vouchers for 35% cash back. Buy a $10 gift card. That CVS is a store you can use one of the vouchers at. So you'll get $3.75 back on your Flues account immediately when you buy it. It's a digital gift card. So what you do is you open Flues when you download it. At the top, search for CVS. Then you're going to click on it. Then you're going to click a $10 gift card. And at the top, as you can see, you'll get back $3.75. So it's a digital gift card. The cashier is going to click gift card on their side. Then they're going to scan it right from your phone. I do have a video for how to use Flues and how to get more vouchers that I'll link at the end of this video for you guys. Then you're going to get back a $5 extra buck plus $2 from Swagbucks and $2 from Checkout 51. Transaction 2, give them the 6 bags of candy and the 2 Colgate toothpaste. Total is $20.55. You have $14.98 in coupons. You'll pay $5.57 plus taxes, but you got a $5 extra buck in your first transaction. So give that to the cashier. Now you're paying just 57 cents plus taxes. Show them that same Flues gift card. They're going to scan it. It's going to cover that. Here is your final cash cost breakdown. All you paid was $10 to Flues for a $10 gift card for CVS. Now you should still have about $3 left over on that gift card depending on the taxes in your area, and you can use that another time. You also got back $3.75 on your Flues account for buying the gift card, $2 back from Swagbucks, and $2 back from Checkout 51. That makes your final cost free and a 75-cent cash moneymaker, which is amazing. And you got 12 different products. So if you guys have any questions or anything on anything in the video, definitely drop a comment below. If you want to learn more about how I'm able to put together these deals, transactions, kind of the process behind it and the art to it, definitely consider joining that 3-day couponing workshop. I would love to have you and help you learn how you can make $100 by the holidays. I'm sure we could all use an extra $100 for different gifts or food or anything like that. So that link is below in the description box. And here are the videos for how to use Flues and how to get more vouchers if you need that. And if you're not subscribed yet, take a second and hit my face icon here. I would definitely love to have you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.